Welcome back, guys. So today we have a great one for you. It's going to be pork fried rice. And on the side, we're going to be doing some teriyaki chicken too. Here are the stuff that we're going to be using today. We got 5 eggs. We got some soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic seasoning, sweet teriyaki, 1 stick of butter, some veggies, 1 pound of boneless pork loin, and 4 cups of white rice. So this white rice has been in the fridge since this morning, so plus 6-7 hours, and we're good to go. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up a Blackstone. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and add our butter to add our rice. And it's a whole stick of butter. Now let's go ahead and add our rice. Sesame oil. We're going to start cooking our pork. And that's some garlic and soy sauce. Go ahead and lower this down to low. We're going to add our veggies. Not a lot. Kids don't like it too much, so you guys can add the whole small bag of veggies if you guys want. Teriyaki sauce. Add the egg. I think it's ready for the rest. Now it's time for our chicken. The fried rice is ready to come out. So remember, the chicken has to be at 165 degrees internal temp to be ready. Alright guys, we're back. So here we finally have it. Pork fried rice and a teriyaki chicken. Let's try the pork fried rice. Not bad. Not bad. I used a different teriyaki sauce. As you guys see, the one that I used at the beginning ran out. And so I used another one. The other one is, I wish I had more of the other one. Would have given a way better flavor. But so far, it's not bad. I taste that flavor of the other teriyaki, but it's good. I like it. Try a piece of this chicken. That's good. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that boom, hit the subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys don't want to miss any of this. Check out these videos. I'll see you guys next time.